two rods, one aluminium and one steel, are uniform and have lengths of 2 meter and 3 meter respectively. The mass per meter of rods are 1 kg and 2 kg respectively. If the rods are placed lengthwise touching each other, locate the position of center of mass relative to aluminium end. Okay, so first thing is always draw a figure, write down the formula, okay, and then figure out what is given and then solve the question. Okay, so pause the video, solve the question, then you guys will see the answer. So what do we know from the question? See, we have, see, this to be the aluminium bar and the next one is a steel bar, right? What is the length? 2 meter and 3 meter. Okay, now see, remember, if the mass of the bar is equal, I mean if it is uniform, then the midpoint will be the center of mass, correct? So for the aluminium rod, the center of mass will be 1 meter, midpoint. For the same thing for the steel rod, it will be 3.5 meter, correct? Because 1 plus another 2, so sorry, 1.5, so you will get it as 3.5, correct? Okay, so we got to know the positions. Then what we have, we need to figure out the mass. So mass of the aluminium rod, let's say call it as M1. See, mass per meter it's given, correct? And the length of the rod is given. So the mass will be 2 into 1, correct? Which is 2. Same thing, mass of the steel, let's say M2 is 3 into 2, which will be 6. Right, then we have x1 to be 1 meter, x2 to be 3.5 meter. Right, then what is the given formula? We have xcm is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. So if we substitute, we get it as 2 into 1 plus 6 into 3.5 divided by 2 plus 6, which gives us 22 plus 21 divided by 8, or 23 by 8. So 23 by 8 is 2.875 meter. Okay, so here the center of mass for the whole thing is 2.875 meter from the aluminium rod, because the question specifically asks for aluminium, correct? I mean with respect to aluminium. So the answer is 2.875 meter from the aluminium end.